I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Open Fortress. First, you will need to download the game client directly from the official Open Fortress website. Make sure you have Team Fortress 2 already installed, as Open Fortress runs as a total conversion mod. The installation process is straightforward, usually involving extracting files into your Team Fortress 2 custom folder. Once installed, simply launch the game through your Steam library, and you are ready to dive into the action. Open Fortress offers a dynamic experience with over 20 unique classes, each bringing distinct abilities to the battlefield. Mastering movement is key. Practice techniques like rocket jumping or strafing to gain an advantage. You will encounter classic game modes such as Capture the Flag and King of the Hill, requiring teamwork and strategic thinking. Remember to effectively use your class's primary, secondary, and melee weapons to dominate your opponents. To elevate your gameplay, explore the vast array of community-made maps and custom game modes available. Don't hesitate to tweak your in-game settings, like your field of view or mouse sensitivity, for optimal performance and comfort. Experimenting with different class loadouts can significantly impact your effectiveness and help you discover a playstyle that suits you best. Always aim to join a server with a low ping, ideally under 50 milliseconds, for the smoothest experience. The Open Fortress community is vibrant and welcoming. I highly recommend joining the official Discord server to connect with other players, find games, and stay updated. Participate in community events and even competitive tournaments to test your skills. If you are feeling creative, consider contributing to the game by making custom maps or cosmetic items. Most importantly, keep practicing and exploring all that Open Fortress has to offer. There is always something new to discover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.